Okay, so this is a KTM helmet Powerpart that we got from KTM along with the bike. Focus. Okay, there we focus. And since I already have one there, I am making her unbox it. Hopefully it will fit her head. So
fit my head? What's it?
oh, she didn't
First
hear what I said. I'd already said what is it. You didn't hear it. Open.
See, I told you ना helmet है क्या
ठीक से निकाल आराम से careful remove it. Okay, now you have to open it easy आराम से open it, hold it from inside, not from out.
Is it for me?
Show.
Is it for me?
Wait. Show ऐसे. You know how to wear it? Wear it properly. Don't just shove it in your head. There are lots of things inside.
What
They'll
is
hurt
this?
you.
How do I remove it?
Don't remove that yet. For now, just wear the helmet. You know how to wear helmet, no?
There's something inside here.
Now remove it. Silica.
Tissue paper.
It's not tissue paper. It's silica. Yeah.
Oh, it fits my hand.
Now open.
Does that have that sunglasses?
Yeah.
How to do it?
Up. Do it up.
This up? Oh, I love sunglasses. How's it, Papa? Looking nice.
Nice. Is it fitting your
I
head
have
or is it
two
too?
helmets now.
Is it fitting your head or is it too loose?
It's a bit loose, but if I put
Because my
balaclava,
size.
then okay. Huh?
Oh, it will fit your head with balaclava. Are you serious? You'll able to manage it?
I know.
Sure. When we'll go to Amritsar, you wear this then.
Okay.
And in fact, this, no, remove it. It's got the first. Put this up.
But इसमें intercom नहीं है. I want intercom.
Intercom डलवा दूंगा मैं. As
No,
Popo
but
asked.
I want intercom and that also.
Oh, दोनों में डल जाएगा. You just have to remove this one from here and put it. You have to remove the unit from there and put it in this one. इसके अंदर only headphone और mic चाहिए. You just need spare headphones and mic on this. Intercom you can remove that from here and put it.
सारा पैसा भी बाइक में डाल दिए.
We'll get slowly we'll get. See, you see this thing, this.
What's this?
This is anti-fog, so your helmet won't fog up from the inside.
But this is large.
Yeah, it's my size. You said it's fitting you.
Yeah. Papa? Which number helmet this is, Papa? 8th, 9th?
Don't ask.
Did we get this for free?
I paid for it, but I got it at a very good discount.